respected principal, senior mistress, coordinators, beloved teachers, and dear friends. Good morning to one and all present here for the 76th Indian Independence Day celebration. Gandhi, Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, VOC, Dheeran Chinnamalai, Velu Nachiyar, Tirupur Kumaran, Kattabomman, Maruthu Brothers, Pulithevan, Alagamuttukon, Subramani Siva, Bharati. All these freedom fighters never fought for themselves. Rather, they fought for all of us. It's amazing to think about how these freedom fighters fought against injustice. They have taught us to be brave, to believe in ourselves, and to stand up for what is right. These heroes are just like shining stars in our freedom history. They remind us that every person can make a difference. In 2023, our world is different. Today, we face challenges like caring for the environment, ensuring equality with justice, spreading religious and communal harmony with kindness and love. It looks like India is in need of intensive care and love. Just like our freedom fighters wanted a better future for us, we can work together towards attaining a better world today. Let's believe in ourselves that no matter how young we are, we have the power to make a difference. Let's remember that unity is our strength and diversity is our beauty. There are certain things, dear friends, we can do as kids for the betterment of our nation. We can learn about our history, help our friends, be responsible for our actions, respect our elders and diverse cultures around us. We can also take care of our beautiful planet by not wasting the resources and keeping our surroundings clean. Therefore, my dear friends, just like our founding fathers and freedom fighters, let us start the journey of building up of a better India with these small steps that will help us carry forward the torch of patriotism and national pride. Wish you all a happy Independence Day. Thank you.